Hi, welcome to another new video, and today we are going to walk through on a topic that is how to duplicate pages in WordPress. So as you can see, we are in admin panel. In here we are going to do a simplest way to create a duplicate page in WordPress. First of all, we need to go on plugin and then click on add plugin options. In order to add a duplicate plugin, you need to be search here duplicator duplicate, and then it will be suggest you some apps here, and I can say the plugin. So here you can select one. Then the first one has 3000 active installation, and second one has 3 million plus active installation, and the last updated 9 months ago. This will be the best, I hope so. So let's install this one. Click on install now and then wait a bit while, then see the result. Okay, it already installed, and click on the activate options. Once you click on the activated, the duplicate page has been activated. So now again go to the page option and you will find out your sample page. In the sample page you will find out duplicate this next to the view option. Just click over here and wait a bit, and you can see that we already have a draft option here in the same name sample page. Go and click on the preview option and you will find out this is the sample page. And let's again see the main sample page. Let's click on the view, and you can see this is the similar kind of the same draft one. So click on the draft one again and you can see both are same, and the para link you can see both are the different. So you can see how much easy this was. So I hope you love the video and you will find out this is helpful for you. So don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.